Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Home to Matter light switches, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Google Home device is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, confirm that your Matter light switches are compatible with Google Home. Unbox your Matter light switches and follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation. Once installed, power on the light switches. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. In the app, tap on the plus sign in the top left corner to add a new device. Select Setup Device from the menu that appears. Choose New Devices to scan for compatible devices in your home. Select your home location if prompted. The app will then search for available Matter devices. Once your Matter light switches appear, tap to select them. Follow any additional prompts to complete the setup process. You may need to assign a room to each light switch for easier control. After assigning rooms, ensure that you properly label each light switch for clarity. Once configured, test the light switches by using voice commands. Say, "Hey Google, turn on light switch name," to check functionality. To control the light switches, you can also use the Google Home app directly. Make adjustments to settings or routines as needed within the app. For optimal performance, ensure your Google Home device and Matter light switches are kept updated. This completes the process of connecting your Matter light switches to Google Home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.